So our next is triple ordered. So the first thing I wrote it my mail very top, so it wasn't visible. So if you want to reach me, this is my mail ID, bosesudeshna135@gmail.com. so if you want to reach me, this is my mail ID, this is my Telegram and Instagram account. So if anything necessary, you text me. So now we will move on to, we have done double order, so now we will move on to triple order traversal. So let's see here. Void TO struct node star T if T, same thing like that. If T is true, means T is our tree and T has something, left child, right child, only we will move on to this, or else we won't. Okay, so now printf character T arrow data TO, we will call the recursion again, T arrow left child, printf again character T arrow data TO, T arrow right child. This is our left LC, means left child, and RC means right child. Okay, so and lastly printf T arrow data. So this is our tree, we have to find triple order of this tree. So let's see, let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So we will do same thing the same way we did the last one. So here let me write it down, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 lines. Okay, so first printf T arrow data, first is print, just print the data. Now TO T arrow LC means we go to our left subtree, left child means left subtree. So put a tick mark here and write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so now again we have to call our triple order function, printf C character C T arrow data. So do it is printed again, T arrow left child. So we do just nothing, just we go and call our left child, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now again triple order is called printf %C T arrow data. So D is printed, again T arrow left child. See, we just put a tick and do left child, nothing is there, same thing like the previous one we did. So now number 3, again T arrow data, D is printed. Number 4, T arrow right child, nothing is there, so just put a tick mark here. And next is printf C T arrow data, so we put D. Okay, so we again go back to our function from which it was called. So number 3, see, you can see here, I mentioned also, because we are numbering our line, so we can keep track easily from where we will begin our next statements. So number 3 we have done till 2, now number 3 is printf T arrow data. So put a tick here and write B. So now again T arrow right child, it has nothing, just put a tick here and do number 5, fifth statement, printf T arrow data. So B is printed. Now now we will continue with, till here we have done. Now we will go back to our parent, that is A. So now till 2 we have done, and now from 3 we have to continue. So 3 is printf T arrow data. So put a tick mark here and print it. A is printed. Now number 4, TO T arrow right child. So our right child is C. Put a tick mark here and write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now again printf T arrow data. So our printf is C, then TO T arrow left child, nothing is there, so put a tick mark here, then printf T arrow data. So put a tick mark here. C. T O. T arrow right child. So put a tick mark here, and our right child we go to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So till 4 is done. Now again first to fifth line we have to do for E. Printf T arrow data. E is printed. Put a tick mark. T O, nothing is there, left child is nothing, so put a tick mark, don't do anything. Number 3, printf T arrow data. 3, E is printed. T O, right child, nothing is there, put a tick mark. And number 5, printf, that is E. So all this is done. Now number C, we go back and do the fifth statement, T arrow data. It is C. Now we again go to our calling function. We have to do the fifth statement, that is T arrow data. A is printed. So you can check that every node is printed thrice because it is triple order and we have 3 printfs. So again it can be jumbled in any way. So we have done in one way. There are some other ways also. So we will continue with tree now. So yes, also I had to tell that some of you are asking that from where I learnt and all. So I did from Ravi sir, RBR sir only, nothing else. Okay, so you are some of you asking from where. Just now before making video, someone texted me on Telegram that from where you did your discrete mathematics. So I have done from Ravi sir only. Then I did PYQs, then test series. So test series do properly. So this is all about triple order traversal.